This is a review from the Unsings of the Eureka RapidClean Pro Stick Vacuum. It is a really great lightweight vacuum that can serve multiple purposes. So you can see in this room we have a hard floor and a rug. It does a really great job of both of those, as well as high pile carpet. Super easy to use and operate. So it's got just the power button here, and then you can switch between low and high pile floors. If you have hard floors or carpet, you just switch the function there, and it does a great job on all of that. And then you can see it also shows you where the battery life is at. It's really great because it doesn't have a cord, so it charges, and then you can use it for a good amount of time off of the charger and not have to worry about dragging the cord behind you. It's great for all different surfaces. I'm going to show you on the carpet here. Does a really great job also on the hard floor. Does a really great job. It can get in tight spaces, so easy to get underneath chairs, tables, into tight spaces like right here. It also detaches from the bottom, so if you just need to have the stick part of it. One of my favorite things about it is on the back here. It has this little divot, so it can rest easily like on the arm of a chair or on a counter, and doesn't slip down to the floor. And then one of the best parts about it is the really easy to remove and clean dust cup. And so you can see you just push the button there on the bottom, it opens that up and can clean the dust cup pretty much one-handed. So really great product from Eureka, something that has been used quite a bit here and still running great. Really highly recommend. Thanks for watching.